If you have an Etsy store where you are providing 3D printed products, you really need to consider using a service for it. Because here's the deal, as an Etsy store owner, you are probably a creative type, so you want to be focused on the design of new products so that you can stay relevant and changing with the market on Etsy. Using a service allows you to just send out files and then immediately get them produced and fulfilled without you ever having to touch a box. Yes, it's more expensive than you printing them yourselves, but you need to value your time. And imagine how many more things you could create if somebody else is doing the printing for you. And if for some reason it's too expensive to be affordable on your store, you need to change the pricing on your store. Because right now, custom cookie cutters, 3D printed cookie cutters, are sold for $25 to $37 on Etsy. And that's something that you can do for the design. It takes 5 minutes to do the design, and then you have the service print the cookie cutter and ship it for $5. And then the customer themselves are also paying for the shipping cost. So you are making 10 to 15 to 20 bucks per cookie cutter, and you are not ever having to touch a 3D printed part or figure out how to ship it and fulfill it or anything else. So you're able to use Etsy and move with Etsy in a way that no one else is able to.